Let me tell you a story. Ella has been feeling a little bit sad lately, and she didn't know how to make it feel better. One day, her mother gave her a beautiful journal with a shiny cover and said, "This is for you. Write down all your thoughts, your feelings. It's going to make you feel much better." At first, Ella wasn't sure how writing in a journal is actually going to help, but she gave it a try. And that evening, she sat down at her desk, with a pen, and she started. She took a deep breath, started writing. She wrote, like today was tough, and she wrote why she felt sad, that she misses her best friend that passed away. Big reasons to really be sad. And she realized that by putting everything on paper, it actually made her feel lighter. She didn't even know why. But she wasn't holding anything in anymore. Then the day after, she starts writing and writing. All of a sudden, she starts writing more things about stuff that's made her happy, stuff at school that made her laugh. Ella started writing every night before bed. And sometimes she even wrote about things that bothered her, and other times she wrote about happy memories. But the point is that each time that she wrote, she felt better. And she knew that journaling was a way to take care of her heart and her mind, and it was helping her find peace when things were hard. But then she found something else. She found eternal life in another book. Oh my God, that was the best part. I put a link in the description so you can understand it in 3 minutes. Leave me a like, leave me a comment.